I welcome you all for the first session of the second Telangana Legislative Assembly constituted after general elections. Under Article 188 of the Constitution of India, honorable members are required to make an oath of affirmation beside another oath under Rule 5A of the Assembly Rules. Then sign in the roll of members before taking their seats in the House. The Secretary will first call the Honorable Chief Minister, followed by lady members. Later, the other members will be called in alphabetical order of make the oath of affirmation. When the name of member is called, he or she should proceed to the right side of the table of the Secretary. There the member is required to furnish the photocopy of the certificate of election. Then copies of form of oath or affirmation will be handed over to the member. The member should make an oath of affirmation facing toward the chair. Thereafter, the member should go up to the Speaker Pro-tem to wish him and then proceed from behind the chair to the other side of the table and sign in the roll of members and take seat in the House. Since the seats are not allocated to the members at present, they may sit in any seat available. After the election of the Speaker will allot seat to the members.